Okay, I've got my signal on beeper, and I'm connected to the left side switch. The right side switch does approximately the same thing. They're not perfectly timed. As you can see, the lobes are the levers for the switches are both on the upper half of the cams drum, so they can't be, you know, one there's some overlap, but one's going to hit when the other, and then the other. It's not perfect, okay, not perfect, but there we are. And if you slow down, you can understand why the digital smoke and chuff. You're going this slow, and you're going chuff, 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 chuff. I know, but we can go that slow. That's the beauty of it. But if we speed up, I mean, no load on here, right? So I can't do it with my hand. But if you put a load on it, the motor will slow down, load up, and it'll still be puffing and chuffing. But the idea is the mechanisms are fairly robust. Ball bearings, that's 15 volts. So we have ball bearings in the gear is engaged, the switches are bouncing like crazy, and that's what they're supposed to do, okay? And it may come to that they can't deal with it over the long haul, don't know. I was going to show you the differences, but I can't right now. Oh, the other thing I was going to show was the contact. You get to see the contact from the levers. They're on the outer edge, you see, but they are making good contact. The gear, as you can see, the little oil slick that's starting to create it is right down the middle of the teeth of the gear. You can see the gear has a air space. It looks like it's a little cockeyed. I got a hunch that's just the plastic on the inside. It could be that my screw is cockeyed too, though. I'm not going to say everything is perfect, but there is the gap. So the bearings, you're rubbing on the outer bearings, not rubbing on the plastic. The locking mechanism is working perfectly like it's supposed to. You loosen it, you could rotate it, adjust it, you tighten it back up, it will not move. And it shouldn't impede on anything we've done so far. I am a little nervous about getting into that, to those hooks with that switch there. Not sure how that's going to work. It might be a little testy with all of this on this side and that on this side. I've pushed that darn switch out now to get good contact. Oh, the pin came off, that's all. The connector. Now I need to retest the body. Oh, I don't want to do that now, not tonight. Let's not ruin my night. I'm feeling good. But that could mean I go back and I got to do some more fiddling. We'll see. But I'm feeling good now. I can assemble this on the bench, get it working smoothly, and then bolt it on, knowing it's going to find the gear and it's going to work. Yeah, that's pretty good for me, I think. Now you can see how this wheel was grinding in, and that was shorting out too, by the way. All these wheels were. So the bushings on those wheels, and these are, he does not have the original. These are different chassis, different wheels. The problem I have with what Leon did was a couple of the wheels are not pressed in all the way, so the wheel hub isn't rubbing up against the brass. We're going to rub on the outer, and that's going to short. So I'm going to have to put shims. Probably the brass shims we use in the motor would work to space that out so it works better. All right, gang. That's what we got. That's where we are. That's what I got done today. I'm saying beta 2. It's beta 2. We're there. All right. Later.